Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike's got just a little over 10,300 miles on it and is in very good condition. It has some damage on both sides, which I'll show you as we go around, but it's pretty minimal and just all cosmetics. So let's take our walk around, take a look at it, and then we'll fire it up. This comes with a dark tinted windscreen. Front tire on it's in good shape. Got a lot of miles left on that. Comes with flush mount front blinkers, aftermarket grips. Okay, so the tip over on the right side, fairly light. We've got a little scuffing and scratching there on the upper cowl and middle fairing. A little bit there on the engine cover. A little bit there on the middle fairing. And then we've got a dent in the exhaust here, so. But no running problems. This also has PSR clip-ons, along with a fender eliminator and an integrated tail. We will be putting a new back tire on this motorcycle. And then on the left side here, oh, you know what? I remember seeing this. A little nick in the tail there too. So on the left side here, when it went down, a little scraping here on the engine cover and on the back of the mirror. Aftermarket grip, flush mount front blinker, and we've got a little imperfection here on the tank. You can see it, almost like a little bubble. Like I said, it's pretty minimal and it's all cosmetic, so it doesn't affect the performance of the motorcycle whatsoever. I have to show you those miles now. 10,305 is what's on it. Looks like it's got HIDs too. Yeah, those are definitely HIDs. This R6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.